Hey.
To our highly stacked members of the academic community, led by a vibrant principal in charge of Allen 2 District, and at the same time, school head of Pinagitman Elementary School, Dr. Agustin B. Sinubu Jr., Sir, dynamic guest speaker, Madam Telma N. Villacortes, Barangay Captain of Pinagitman, Honorable Alfonso Rarela Jr., dedicated teaching staff of Pinagitman Elementary School, our dear parents and guardians, my fellow graduates, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant evening to everyone. Today is a moment of celebration, not just for us graduates, but for everyone who has supported us throughout this journey. As I stand before you, I feel a deep sense of gratitude for the people who made this day possible. Our teachers, friends, and most especially our families. Standing before you today as valedictorian is a moment I never imagined when I first transferred here in grade 4. It was a new school. I was afraid of not fitting in, afraid of starting over a new environment. It was a big change, and I didn't know if I would belong. But as time passed, I realized that fear was not just the beginning of something greater. I found new friendships, incredible teachers, and a school that welcomed me with open arms. I learned that change may be scary, but it also helps us grow. My journey was not always easy. Being sickly made some days harder than others. I often had to catch up on lessons, missing classes at times. Times when I felt weak. Moments when I questioned myself if I could keep up. But through it all, my mom made sure I stayed on track, encouraging me when I felt weak. To my dear parents, Police Master Sergeant Ronnie Sitico Bacnawa and Jeremy Galunga Bacnawa, Papa, Mama, this achievement is not just mine. It's yours.